Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the wild world of consumerism without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the steamy business of floor cleaning. That's right, we're comparing the Bissell Steam Mop with the Waitebird Steam Cleaner. It's a showdown so intense, you might want to grab some popcorn. Let's kick things off with the price. The Bissell is priced at a cool $102, while the Waitebird comes in at $139. Reviewers appreciate the Bissell Steam Mop for its reasonable price and effectiveness, especially in homes with pets and kids. On the other hand, the Waitebird is viewed as a solid investment for those who want a powerful cleaning tool, despite being pricier. So if you want to save some cash and help pets, Bissell is your go-to. But hey, if you've got a little extra cash lying around, you might want to consider the Waitebird. Now let's talk about cleaning power. The Bissell Steam Mop boasts a 12-ampere power rating and can sanitize your floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs without harsh chemicals. Reviewers highlight its lightweight design and quick heating time, making it effective on various surfaces. Meanwhile, the Waitebird can produce steam up to a sizzling 248 degrees Fahrenheit, praised for its powerful steam that tackles tough grime and stains. It's eco-friendly too. If you're a tree hugger, you might want to give it a shot. Next up, let's compare the water tanks. The Bissell has a decent water tank, but the Waitebird? Oh boy, it's got a 38 ounces tank that heats up in under 5 minutes and provides up to 45 minutes of steam. Reviewers love the Waitebird's generous tank size for extended cleaning sessions. The Bissell, on the other hand, needs a 30-second warm-up time. I guess it's a little more like the slow and steady wins the race type, but it still gets the job done. Now, let's talk accessories. The Bissell comes with a spot boost brush for those sticky messes, which reviewers find handy for cleaning up after kids. Meanwhile, the Waitebird comes with 21 versatile accessories. That's more accessories than my last birthday party. Users rave about the variety of attachments, making it the Swiss Army knife of steam cleaners. Finally, let's address safety. The Bissell is pretty straightforward, but the Waitebird has a built-in child safety lock and an auto shut-off feature. Reviewers appreciate these safety features, especially for homes with kids or pets. So if you want peace of mind while cleaning, the Waitebird is a great option. Overall, both steam cleaners have their strengths. The Bissell Steam Mop is favored for its affordability and efficiency, especially in homes with children and pets. Meanwhile, the Waitebird Steam Cleaner is praised for its powerful steam, extensive accessories, and safety features. Both products have garnered positive reviews, but they cater to slightly different needs. So which steam cleaner should you buy? If you want to save some cash and help pets while keeping it simple, go for the Bissell. But if you're ready to invest in a powerhouse with tons of accessories and safety features, the Waitebird is your best friend. Remember folks, whether you're Team Bissell or Team Waitebird, the goal is to keep your floors clean and your home happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.